AC and heating maintenance tune-ups in West Valley City, UT. Keep your system running strong with AC and heating maintenance tune-ups. At Aegis Heating and Air, we take pride in delivering superior air conditioning repair service for homeowners and businesses in West Valley City, UT, and throughout Salt Lake County. Regular maintenance and tune-ups are the key to extending the life of your HVAC system, improving energy efficiency, and avoiding costly breakdowns. When urgent issues can't wait, our 24/7 emergency HVAC repair team is ready. Our skilled technicians carefully inspect, clean, and adjust your equipment to ensure it's operating at peak performance year-round. With our proactive approach, you'll enjoy consistent comfort in both summer heat and winter cold. We're committed to providing reliable service, honest communication, and lasting results for every customer.